In a quiet village called Shirdi, long before the world knew his name, a young fakir walked in, barefoot, silent, carrying nothing but peace in his eyes. No one knew who he was, where he came from, or why he had come. But from that very moment, Shirdi was never the same again. This is the beginning of the story of Sai Baba. Welcome back, everyone. It was the year 1858. A small dusty road led to the little village of Shirdi, surrounded by green fields and the fragrance of earth after rain. One day, as people went about their daily chores, a young fakir, hardly 30, appeared under a neem tree. He sat there silently, eyes closed in deep meditation. He didn't beg, he didn't speak, he simply was. Villagers watched from a distance, whispering, "Who is he? Is he a Muslim fakir or a Hindu saint?" No one knew. Days turned into weeks. The young man remained under the neem tree, unmoved by heat, rain, or hunger. Some villagers began to feel drawn to him, as if his silence spoke louder than words. Then one day, an old villager named Masalpati, the temple priest, walked up to him. Looking at his divine face, he folded his hands and said, "Ao Sai." And from that moment, the world began calling him Sai Baba, meaning Holy Father. Sai Baba's arrival in Shirdi wasn't just an event, it was the beginning of a movement that would bring together people of all faiths, castes, and walks of life. He lived in a mosque, called it Dwarka Mai, and lit lamps like in a temple. He read the Quran and quoted from the Bhagavad Gita. Through every act, Sai Baba reminded us, God is one, names are many. In a world divided by religion and ego, his first lesson was simple: see God in everyone. Serve humanity without discrimination. In today's fast, noisy world, this story still speaks to us. We all meet unknown people in offices, on roads, online, and often judge them instantly. But Sai Baba's arrival teaches us to look beyond appearances. The next time you meet someone new, before deciding who they are, remember, they might just be a messenger, sent to teach you something valuable. Sai Baba teaches us to replace judgment with kindness, doubt with faith, and division with oneness. He came to Shirdi like the wind, silent, invisible, and pure. And yet, his presence touched millions of hearts forever. Sai Baba didn't just arrive in Shirdi, he arrived in the hearts of those who were ready to see God in everyone. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs Sai Baba's blessings today. We are beginning a heartfelt journey, exploring Sai Baba's miraculous stories, divine teachings, and the real-life transformations of his devotees. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because every Thursday, a new miracle of Sai Baba awaits you. Until we meet again, remember Baba's eternal words: why fear when I am here? Om Sai Ram.